In this video lecture, I'm going to lecture you nothing. Instead, I'm going to test you on your skills of exponents, the rules of exponents, a part of pre-algebra. By now, you know the drill, or maybe you do not know the drill. I'm not going to assume that you have watched the previous 3 lectures in this playlist of Algebra Readiness. In a real classroom, when I'm teaching students, the first thing I would do is I would like to assess where they stand, what their level is, how much they already know. But since this class is based on YouTube, I can't really do that. So I have to rely on you to rely on yourself, to assess yourself. And to help you do that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a list of questions on rules of exponents. So I'm going to show you a series of questions. And I want you to take out paper and pencil and work out these problems. Write down their answers on your paper. Once you have solved all the problems, then I will show you their answers. I want you to check your answers based on your score. If you have scored well, let's say if you have scored 100%, then you know your rules of exponents and you do not need to watch the next lecture in the series where I go over the rules of exponents. But if you do not do so well on this test, let's call it as pre-test. If you do not do so well on the pre-test, then I recommend that you watch the next lecture in which I'm going to go over every single rule of exponents. And at the end of that lecture, I'm going to give you more questions. Don't worry, I'll give you their answers as well. So you can check for yourself how much your understanding and your capability has improved. If you scored 100%, you're good. You do not need to watch the 3rd lecture in the series. But if you have not done so well, then I recommend that you watch the 3rd lecture of exponents, in which I'm going to solve all of those problems that I'm going to assign you at the end of lecture number 2. So grab your notebook and your pencil and get ready to solve some problems on exponents. I will show you few problems per slide. And I'll pause on each slide for about 10 seconds. That time should be sufficient for you to either pause the video or take a screenshot and then pause the video, whatever it is that you want to do. I will present you a total of 20 problems, and these problems are going to cover every single rule of exponents. Moving to the next slide, where I'm going to show you 5 questions and I'll pause for 10 seconds. Ready or not, here I come. Timer starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Moving on to the next slide for the next 5 questions. And timer starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Moving on to the next slide. And your timer starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Moving on to the next slide. And your timer begins now. There are only 2 questions and I see that I'm blocking one of the questions, so let me fix that. Timer begins now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Moving on to the next slide. Timer begins now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me bring myself back now. Here we go. I'm back. Hopefully you have worked out these 20 problems. Even if you were not sure how to do them, you have done something. What we are going to do now is, starting next slide, I'm going to go over the answers for each of these questions. Mind it, I'm not going to go over the solutions. I'm going to go over only the answers. Would you like me to go over the solutions? Let me know. You may not need me to go over the solutions for these. If you get these wrong, then watch the next lecture in which I'm going to teach you the rules of exponents. After watching that lecture, I'm pretty sure that you will be able to solve every single question on this pre-test. Alright, let's go over the answers now. I'm going to verbally speak these answers, so you do not have to be looking at the screen. You can just look at your notebook and check your answers. Are you ready? Alright, here we go. Number 1. The answer is 7 times 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. 7 is multiplied by itself 5 times. Number 2. The answer is x to the power 5. Number 3. Now 3 and 1, they kind of look similar, and they are kind of similar, but they are not the same. In number 1, you were asked to write 7 to the power 5 as repeated multiplication, while in number 3, you are asked to evaluate 3 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4, it is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which gives us 81 as answer. Number 4, answer is 1. Number 5, the answer is 1 divided by 5 to the power 3. And I think I do not like that there's no space here. Or was there one? Nope. Alright. Fix it. Number 6. The answer is x to the power 11. Number 7. The answer is a to the power 3. Number 8. The answer is m to the power 6. Number 9. Answer is p to the power 15. Number 10. The answer is 225. Moving on to the next slide for the next set of questions. Number 11. The answer is, let me fix something here for you. Here we go. Number 11. The answer is 1 divided by y to the power 5. Number 12. The answer is 81. Number 13. The answer is 8 divided by 343. Number 14. The answer is 256. Number 15. The answer is minus 81. Moving on to the next slide. Number 16 asks you whether your answer would be positive or negative. The answer is negative. Number 17. The answer is x to the power 5. Moving on to the next slide. Number 18. The answer is 12a cubed times b to the power 4. For number 19, k is equal to minus 3. For number 20, n is equal to minus 5. So here you go. These were all of your answers. Score them. And if you don't mind sharing, do let me know in the comments what you scored. And also let me know if you like this style of teaching, where I'm first giving you a pre-assessment, a pre-test to evaluate, to assess where you are at. Well, it's not like I will find out what your level is. It's for you to assess your own level. These lectures, the purpose of these lectures is to help you self-study. First, you assess yourself, how much you already know. And based on that, you could determine how much more you need to learn. And after you have learned, then you can assess yourself one more time to check your understanding. All right. Hopefully you did well and you can totally skip the next lecture. But if you did not score so well, move on to the next lecture in the series, where we are going to go over all the rules of the exponents. And if you do not need to go over that lecture, feel free to jump to the next skill set of, I have not decided what skill set I'm going to work on next, but I'm sure in a couple of days I will know it. And if it's 2 or more days after this video was published when you're watching this, you will see that video too. Check out the playlist hosting this video and you will see all the video lectures that I have prepared for Algebra Readiness. I'll see you again next time very soon. Bye bye now.